man, isn't it?
I'm talking about 15th August, India's freedom.
Okay. I really enjoyed. Holiday, no work, no school. Majani life.
Did you go to the flag hoisting ceremony this morning?
હું ગાંડા જેવી વાત કરો છો? આજે તો holiday. Sleeping time, baby.
So you don't care about that?
I do, man. I do. But I do it in my dreams. Isn't it the same thing?
All right. Can you tell our audience who is your favorite national hero?
Akshay Kumar.
What?
Nah, just kidding. I think Gandhiji. He's cool, man.
Why Gandhiji?
અરે સંજુ બાબા યાર, મુન્ના ભાઈ આપણો ફેવરિટ ભાઈ છે યાર. ગાંધીજી helps મુન્ના ભાઈ, you know?
Excuse me? I am talking about Gandhiji in Indian independence context.
Same here, baby. Independence from bad people and getting love. You go see Munna Bhai.
Okay, last question. If today India needs you, would you sacrifice your life for the country, same as Gandhiji did?
Sacrifice? Who come? If I die, what good is the freedom?
Well, the rest of the people can have it.
You want me to die for others? I think you're out of your mind, baby. And listen, Missy, if you want to show your audience life fancy, then koi bijane pakdo. I have a lot of things to do. Bye, Miss Vyas.
Thanks for your time, Mr. Hurry.
Go.
This was a disaster.
No, this is exactly what we want. Do you know if Mother India could speak today, how would she react to this?
Do not be afraid, my children. I am your motherland, Mother India. On this historic day, I want you to know that freedom fighters like Gandhi, Jawahar, Sardar, Bhagat Singh, Bose, Shivaji, or Rani Lakshmibai, they were not forced to do what they did for me. They also had a choice. Imagine where would we be if they had thought the same way as you are thinking now. Of course, I understand we have to move on and progress, and I'm proud of you all for making me what I am today. But please remember why we celebrate the Independence Day. Understand its significance. Please, let us not forget how we got here and respect those great people who sacrificed their lives so that we can be what we want to be. Bolo Vande Mataram!
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले. बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा.
तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर दे नाल, मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा
എന്റെ സ്വരവും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വരവും ഒത്തുചേർന്നു നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമായി তোমার সুর মোদের সুর
সৃষ্টি করু কই সুর তোমার সুর মোদের সুর সৃষ্টি করু কই সুর મળે સુર જો તારો મારો બને આપણો સુર નિરાળો माझ्या तुमच्या जुळता तारा मधुर सुरांच्या बरसती धारा
देताना 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 तेरे ना देताना देताना तेरे ना देताना 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 तेरे ना देताना देताना तेरे ना देताना 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 तेरे ना देताना देताना तेरे ना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना तदरी दुम तना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना तदरी दुम तना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना दुदु दुम तना ना धीरा ना ना धीरा ना ना धीरा ना ना तदरी दुम तना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना तदरी दुम तना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना तदरी दुम तना तेरे ना ताना तेरे ना दुदु दुम तना ना धीरा ना ना धीरा ना ना धीरा ना ना तदरी भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
It's just fantastic. It's a nice, boys done very well.
It's pretty good. The little kids are very talented out there. I'm actually here to see my little sister perform. So, but she's not so little anymore. But anyway, so yeah, I'm enjoying it. The food's good. So.
છોકરાઓનું પરફોર્મન્સ કેવું લાગ્યું?
બહુ સરસ બહુ સરસ બહુ હેપી થયા અમારા ગ્રાન્ડ ડોટરને જોઈને.
તમારે કોઈ પરફોર્મ કરે છે?
મારી બે ગ્રાન્ડ ડોટર કરે છે.
ઓકે ઓલરાઈટ થેન્ક યુ. કેવો લાગ્યો તમને શો?
બહુ જ સરસ લાગ્યો. બહુ નાના છોકરાને તૈયાર કરીને આ લોકોએ કોરિયોગ્રાફરે ખૂબ જ મહેનત લીધી છે. ખરેખર બહુ સરસ પ્રોગ્રામ ગયો. બહુ સરસ મજા આવી. અને હજી પણ બીજો પ્રોગ્રામ એથી પણ સરસ હશે એમ માનીએ. ચાલો.
Enjoy the program? Yeah. Were you performing, right?
Yeah.
Did you watch the other dancers?
Christian?
I can't hear you. Christian. I saw your dance. It was really good. How long did it take you to practice?
Like 12 days.
12 days. That's really good. And you had to go all the weekend?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the practices?
Yes.
સરસ ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક.
Yeah, they were really fun. We did it every week. For a month? Yeah, it was really great. It was a really good opportunity to meet with other Indian people and really socialise within our culture, society, and yeah.
So there was a lot of time commitment as well.
Yeah, there was, but you know, it's all for the best of it. Yeah.
Enjoyed it, right?
Yeah, definitely.
We enjoyed it a lot. Enjoying the glow so far?
Yeah, it's been really great.
Alright, your performance is really good.
Thank you.
બહુ સરસ છોકરાઓનો પ્રોગ્રામ છે અને બહુ સરસ કરે છે છોકરાઓ કોન્ફિડન્સથી અને વી એન્જોયિંગ ઇટ. કીપ અપ ધ ગુડ વર્ક.
જગતમાં રહેનારા વણ જારા અમે પ્રેમ જગતમાં રહેનારા હે ઊંટ ઉપર સવાર થઈને નગર નગર અમે ભમનારા ઊંટ ઉપર સવાર થઈને નગર નગર અમે ભમનારા વણ જારા અમે પ્રેમ જગતમાં રહેનારા વણ જારા અમે પ્રેમ ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा ऊंचे आभने नीचे धरती संबुताणिय में रहनारा ऊंचे आभने नीचे धरती संबुताणिय में रहनारा नर नारी सौ एक बनीने मेहनत करिय में जीवनारा नर नारी सौ एक बनीने मेहनत करिय में जीवनारा हो वणजारा हो वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा हो वणजारा हो वणजारा भरत भरेला कापडामा शोभे आभला तारा
कोडियु लगाड़ी भातियु पाड़ी मौज मजावे करनारा
कोडियु लगाड़ी भाजू पाड़ी मौज मजाय में करनारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा वाट विकट जो आफत आवे हिम्मत थी में लड़नारा वाट विकट जो आफत आवे हिम्मत थी में लड़नारा सुख दुख माय में रामा वीर ने हेत प्रेम थी रटनारा सुख दुख माय में रामा वीर ने हेत प्रेम थी रटनारा ओ वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा हे ऊंटयु पर सवार थईने नगर नगर यमे भमनारा ऊंटयु पर सवार थईने नगर नगर यमे भमनारा वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा वणजारा 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 यमे प्रेम जगत मां रहनारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा ओ वणजारा
I think I'm going to sing a song. મોહમ્મદ રફીની આવાજમાં કિશોર કુમારનું એક ગાયન સંભળાવું તમને. Actually, કમલેશ જાઉં છું હમણાં. Actually, this is the segment that we were all waiting for a very important segment of tonight because we have got about 200 children in this hall, more than 200. And we thought that this segment is very, very perfectly set for this kind of atmosphere. આપણે ગુજરાતી સમાજ તરફથી આ વખતે પહેલી વખત હાઈ અચીવર્સ અવોર્ડ્સ આપણે શરૂ કર્યા છે. તો I'll call upon ગુજરાતી સમાજના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ જિગ્નેશ શાહ to do the honor. People, Jignesh Shah, President of Gujarati Samaj.
Thank you, Mukesh. Good evening, ladies and gents. We'll not take more than 4 or 5 minutes of you. The Gujarati Samaj of New South Wales, in year 2009, we have decided to introduce the High Achievers Award for our next generation and acknowledge their talent, and that will encourage and motivate all others. Now, this High Achievers Award in 2 categories, and one is academic, and second one is in the sports and extracurricular activity, which is any talented and success in the music, swimming, athletics, cricket, debating. So for tonight, the first category, we'll talk about the academic awards. In the academic awards, we decided to give the first 2 ranks that past year 12 students who got a highest UIA in our Gujarati community. So on second place, I would like to announce Akanksha Jala, and she got 99.4. And I will ask Arjun Pandya to come forward and distribute the prizes. Now, unfortunately, Akanksha, she's sick tonight, and Arjun will pass on that prize to Akanksha. Arjun bhai. And on the first position, Karan Rao, 99.7. Ladies and gentlemen, Karan. And he got the admission in medicine. Here you go, Karan. Now, Karan, don't go like that, buddy. We have to talk. So, Karan, you achieved 99.7. Was amazing achievement, you know. Now, you know that year 12 exam is fast approaching, and I'm sure you got a few colleagues and friends in the community. Any message for them?
Well, I think the message is pretty obvious, guys. I'm pretty sure most year 12 kids will be at home studying. They won't be here, but just study hard, work hard, and know that the Gujarati Samaj is behind you, your community is behind you, and there's a lot of reason to do well because, you know, Gujarati Samaj is supporting us, giving these good prizes and stuff. So, yeah, I think it's good.
Thank you. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, Karan Rao. Now, for the extracurricular activity, now the Olympic 2008 in Beijing, one of the fast developing country in China, it was a great success in Olympic history. And what a pleasure to announce for Gujarati Samaj and on the behalf of all of you, Krishna Koteja, who participated in Olympic 2008 in Beijing in a flute in opening ceremony. Krishna Koteja, ladies and gentlemen. Krishna, wow, man, I wish I could have done that in my young age, but I'm getting too old now. So anyway, what is your, any message for your friends, and what was the feeling in China?
It was a great feeling, very exciting feeling, had great fun, but it's really thanks to Gujarati Samaj that I really got to go there, so thanks, and I hope to see all of you go there in the future.
Thank you, Krishna. Ladies and gentlemen, Krishna Koteja, what an achievement for our Gujarati community. And as being Indians, and we are celebrating Independence Day tonight, we born and brought up in our cricket culture. It is amazing that I'm going to announce that one of the young girl from our Gujarati community, she got selected in a women's New South Wales cricket team. And she's playing on the state level. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jhalak Patel. What amazing, you know, that being a fan of cricket myself, it is one of the greatest things to see that our culture, our blood, into the state level of Australia, where Australia is dominating the world with the cricket. Now, how are you feeling? And it is very hard to get into the state level. It is one of the, I think, is a very tough task. How did you achieve it?
Yeah, it is tough because it's not just the boys who play cricket. There are a lot of girls playing cricket.
Wow, here you go, guys. Excellent.
But it's great. I just like to thank some people, like my brother. He's the one who made me play cricket. Because he made me bowl a lot, and that's how I improved in bowling. I think it was a very great feeling being in the New South Wales.
Excellent. And what is your dream now, to next level, to play for the country, or?
We'll wait when that happens.
That's good. All the best. Ladies and gentlemen, Jhalak Patel. Now, guys, this is a time for celebration of our high achievers, our generation, our blood. Let's celebrate Jum Barabar Jum, guys.
कर धूम धमाका हो जाए तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह कर धूम धमाका हो जाए तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह कर धूम धमाका हो जाए तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह और मस्ती में आज झूमो रे हर मस्ती में आज झूमो रे तू बीन बजा के जो क्या बीन बजा के जो वो एक लगावे ठुमका तू तीन लगा के जो
के वो एक लगावे ठुमका तू तीन लगा के वो सारे गामा गामा सारे झूम ले फिर घूम ले आज झूमरे 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 झूमरे
Believe it or not, this place was always so exotic that even the Almighty God established his empire here. People here were experts in water management systems from as early as 2600 BC. This is where the world's oldest marriage bureau still continues to unite hearts. This is the very piece of land that ushered in a white revolution. It is here that every citizen has direct access to head of the state. This is the land which hosts the world's longest dance festival. This place has no diamond mines, yet it is evolved into a global hub for diamond polishing. It is from this place that one man launched a mass movement for India's independence. The people of this place are born entrepreneurs who are adept at wealth creation. And amidst the times of a global meltdown, this vibrant land has achieved what no other state in India has done before. This is Gujarat, the growth engine of India. Gujarat, the undisputed growth engine of India, is the world's third largest producer of denim and India's largest producer of salt, chemicals, sponge iron, petrochemicals and pharmaceuticals. Gujarat is home to one of the world's largest grassroots refineries, the world's largest single-location copper smelter unit, and the world's largest lignite-based single-stream cement plant. Increasing presence of multinational organizations. Apart from the investment climate of this place, there is something about the people here that makes this place unforgettable. In fact, in Gujarat, life is a celebration. Gujarat is a state where progress is policy-driven. Policies are reforms-driven and reforms are people-driven. And the feeling of well-being and comfort is all around. The farmers are happy because the world's largest canal network has now started transforming the arid lands. The Sardar Sarovar project will bring additional 1.8 million hectares of land under irrigation. Gujarat today has an infrastructure that's robust, networked and future-ready. And this land of happiness is now poised for embracing an exciting future. Gujarat, the happiness capital of India.
अलग मलक तो हर तो ने फर तो अलग मलक तो हर तो